Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have my monthly favorites video for you. September is upon us and August is gone, and I didn't get to do a lot of crafting in August, but what I did get to do I was very happy with. I'm planning on doing a crap ton more of videos in September and through the rest of the year. I'm diving into a lot of DIY projects for Christmas presents, for other gifts as well. So today I'm going to talk to you about my favorites from August. Some kind of came in at the end of the month, so we'll just dive right in. First I want to talk about something I discovered during my craft room cleanup series. Those will be going up throughout September, and this is sort of a sneak peek. I started with stamping, so this is one thing that I really loved. It's really dirty, so I have to wash it still. But this is my stamp scrubber cleaning pad from Hampton Art. I actually might just try to buy a new insert altogether because this is old, but this does wonders for cleaning off your stamps or mixed media stuff, like if you're using inks through stencils and stuff. Cleaning stencils with this is really great. Mine's really black because I've used it so much, but I rediscovered having this and it's been a dream. Instead of using as many baby wipes, I just get it wet with a baby wipe and then wipe it off on here. So this is really great. I'll try to find it and link it down below if I can, as well as all these other products that I'm going to mention. If I can find it, I'll have a link down below. Next up I want to talk about these Studio Calico, I don't even know what they're called. They're little bags. They look like they're mesh, but they're actually completely sealed. I did see these once, not this brand obviously, but these sort of bags. They're like waterproof bags essentially. Except for the top. The zipper obviously is penetrable by water, but I did see these at Michael's once. I don't think Studio Calico just has theirs for sale. I think they only come with kits, but I store my ready to color and cut images in here. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I've been crafting on the go a lot lately. We've been taking a lot of trips and stuff, and sorry if you can hear anything, that's just my dog. He wanted to be in here, and he's throwing a fit now. But these are where I store all my images that I have stamped and ready to color or ready to cut, so I can take these on the car with me and color with my Zigs or my Arteza brush pens or anything like that. So really love these pouches. This is the only size I have, but if I can find more on Amazon I might have to pick them up in a larger size because they're durable and everything else, and I just love them. So another favorite. Let's jump to a tool. This tool is the Martha Stewart Maple Leaf Punch. No longer available since Martha Stewart's not really, selling mini paper crafts anymore. But I've been punching at the end of the month here for, I started with a card and then I just kept on punching to hopefully use it for other things as well as other cards. Great paper punch. Martha Stewart's a great brand. I'll try to, I think there's one by, I want to say it's EK Tools. That's the same shape, the maple leaf shape. So I'll have that one linked down below if I can find it. Let's start to the stamp. This is a Newton Nooks design. I think it's called Forever Friends stamp set. And one of my friends' pets passed away, so I had to make her a card, and this was just a really sweet stamp set to do so. Some of the sentiments say, "So sorry for the loss of your furry friend. Some angels have fur. Pets leave paw prints on our hearts. Forever would not have been long enough, forever in our hearts." And then there's angel wings and halos for all of the dog and cat images, and it's just a very sweet set. I think I got this for Christmas last year, and this is the first time I've had to use it. But you could obviously use this for non-sad cards as well, just using the dog and cat outlines or this little heart outline, which I plan on using with some of my other stamp sets as well. But a really great stamp set. Absolutely love how sweet that one is. For mixed media, this Heidi Swapp Color Shine in, oh man, I grabbed the wrong color. I grabbed Patina, but I meant to grab Sweet Mint. Here it is. We'll switch those out. I used Sweet Mint more than I used Patina last month, that's why I'm pulling this one out. So this is the Heidi Swapp Sweet Mint color. I use this on a bunch of layouts because it coordinated so well with this collection. And this collection's the Echo Park Just Be You paper pad. I tore this collection up this past month because it was in my How to Kill a Kit with Style, what's it called? Kit. How to Kill a Kit with Style, because it's a kit. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full papers left. The rest are scraps. So if you guys would like to see me finish off this paper pad, let me know and we can do like maybe a live stream of me trying to finish this. Either cards or something, I don't know, but I haven't finished a paper pad in a while. I think the last time I finished a paper pad was in maybe early 2017. No, I think it had to be 2016. And I finished like 3 that year. But that's just because I was like running low on pattern paper and I only had some stuff at college with me, so it was bound to happen. But if you guys would like something like that, let me know and I'll try to do that. That's always a fun challenge. One of the sequin mixes I used a lot this month is actually called Freezin' for a Reason. This one's 1 in a Melon. I also use this one a little bit because I love the greens in it. But Freezin' for a Reason is missing in action. I think it's in one of my page kits and I didn't want to really dig through them. So this is 1 in a Melon instead, but I'll have both of them linked down below if I remember, of course. Maybe we can get a nice close-up shot of this. Maybe not. There we go. So beautiful pink and green, obviously playing on that watermelon feel. This was designed by one of the Spiegel Mom Scraps customers, which is super, super cool. If you guys haven't done that yet, check over on our Facebook and Instagram page for more details because you can submit your designs and that's so cool. So cool. One more product before we talk about other stuff. These are jumbo Ziploc bags. So I found these at the dollar store. By the way, guys, I don't think my haul video is up yet, but it's going to go up and I have tons of deals from the dollar store, let me tell you. Absolutely love it there. Specifically the Dollar Tree. I do have another dollar store type store which I haven't shopped at in a while. If you guys would like me to bring you there, it's called Real Deals. And it's kind of a sketchy store. It's cash only. Cash or check I should say, and like things are like 10 for $1 sort of thing, so it's a little bit sketchy, but oh well. So these are the jumbo size, which means that they are 14 by 16 inches. I have one here. Next, let me grab a piece of paper too. So this is the size they are, and these are perfect for page kits. So it'll fit a 12 by 12 paper with tons of room to spare. You only get 5 bags per box, so 5 for $1, not a grand deal. These were the only ones at my Dollar Tree. I have seen different size boxes available other places. Really, you only need like a 2-gallon sized bag to fit 12 by 12, but this one's 2.5 gallon. But these are the only ones they had there, so these are great for storing papers, storing page kits, a lot of things, so I grabbed a couple more. Usually I get them in my online orders, like when I order a bunch of paper, people put them in the giant plastic bags, but this is what I got instead. Next up, we have my favorite store of the month. I wanted to start highlighting smaller shops, because I think that's a good thing to emphasize. So this will also be in my latest haul video that's not up yet, but they package everything in this nice little tissue paper and stamp it and then add a little washi. But this is Doodlebugs. I've talked about them before. So it's doodlebugswa.com. I'll have it linked down below, and they have free shipping with I think a $20 or $25 purchase, which is very addicting. Be careful when you go on there. They have a lot of stamps and stuff. I buy a lot of card making things on there, but I have gotten stickers, like these Carpe Diem ones are from there. So you can find a lot of great things there. And then we're going to move on to some non-physical things. One of my favorite crafty YouTubers of this month is Becky Bidding, still don't know how to say her name. She was doing Vlogist, so she was showing us how she cleaned out her craft closet, and like her, I was inspired by Janet, and she was inspired by Janet to do some different organization methods for her closet, her craft closet. So definitely check her out, have her link down below. She also does a ton of process videos and does kits every month now. I think Mini Kit Monday is something that she's part of. So definitely check her out. She'll be linked down below. And then I wanted to talk about a couple of other deals that I got this past month, which again will be talked about more in the haul video, but it's going up kind of later because I have a very busy schedule at the beginning of September here. But I got to visit the Hobby Lobby sale, and it's not as crazy as the last one that we had where they clearanced out a bazillion things. It's more of a subtle clearancing out. But I picked up thickers for $1.24, and if that's not a reason to go to Hobby Lobby, I don't know what is. I got 2 different colors. This one's my favorite, but these ones are on clearance for $1.24 instead of $4.99. So that's pretty dang awesome. And then another thing I want to talk about is my my weekly deal blog post. Sorry about that. That was a tongue twister for some reason. I do a weekly deal blog post on my blog every single week where I post about online sales mostly, maybe a couple of non-online sales, but recently I've been looking through Amazon, just scrolling through, and I found some amazing add-on deals. You guys have to go check them out if you haven't already. I'll have the latest one linked down below, latest blog post, but if you go back through some of the older ones, you might find things that are still on clearance on Amazon, so definitely check that out. I've showed some of my Amazon hauls here before, and it's addicting, so be careful with that Amazon Prime. But that's it for my monthly favorites. Let me know what your favorite thing was for this month, whether it was a collection like Just Be You, or a tool, or a mixed media item, or a stamp set, or a sticker set. But if you guys would like me to cover a specific item every month, like if you want to see my favorite paper pad every month, let me know. I can do something like that. Or if you want to see my favorite tool every month, let me know. I can do something like that. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!